Hi, I'm Mirai. I'm Indian and I'm here waiting for my flight to Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. What kind of music do I like? My tastes are so diverse. But if I had to choose one, I'd say that I'm more inclined to classical music, like Mozart and Beethoven. It is amazing. One kind of music that I would never listen to is pop. I think the songs are boring and without any kind of good message these days. I just don't get it why people like pop music so much.
Hello, I'm Jonas from the States, and I'm 35 years old. I'm here at Heathrow Airport waiting for my flight. I'm going to Brazil. What kind of music do I listen to? I listen to all kinds of music, every genre of music I have, and the type of music I listen to depends on the type of mood I'm in. But my favorite for sure is rock. I love old bands like Nirvana and U2. Some people listen to classical music, but not me. Why? Because I hate it.
Hi there. I'm Susan from Canada. Today is my 20th birthday, and I'm very happy. I'm here at the JFK Airport in New York waiting for my flight to Australia. Speaking of music, my favorite genre would have to be pop. I love pop from the bottom of my heart. I think it's music that suits me. It really makes me feel good and sing together to the easy tunes. It's also a way for me to relax and just enjoy my time, and I just really love it. It makes me feel good. On the other hand, rock music has the opposite effect on me. I just can't stand it.